Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn a very powerful feature of Gmail which many of us don't know. You may ask your friends, family, and relatives, they won't know about this feature even though they have been using Gmail every day in their lives. So, to understand this feature, let us first understand the problem. So, click on Compose and try to send a test email. So, when you click on test email, and suppose, like in this email, I forgot to attach any document or put my signature on. You can see that there was an undo link that came, but it just vanished away before even I realized my mistake. So, how to avoid this situation? So, for that, you have to click on the setting icon. There is on the top, you will find the setting icon. Click on settings, click on quick settings, see all settings. Under See All Settings, you can see there is an option called Undo Send. Here, there are some defined time limits. So, I will strongly recommend that you increase the time limit to 30 seconds. That is the maximum possible time that Gmail allows you to recall your sent mail. So, set the limit to 30 seconds and then click on Save. So, your Gmail box will reload. Now, let's see what happens. Let me try to send another test email. So what you see now is that this undo link is persisting for 30 seconds. So this gives you enough time for you to understand your mistake and recall the mail if needed. So just click on undo and your email would be undone. The sending of email would be undone. You can attach your documents, you can rewrite the email and then click on send button. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.